We got this greenhouse back in 2016, and it did a fairly good job. We worked with it, we put it up, it looked nice, but I didn't know for sure how I wanted the inside. So I started out cheap. We used shelves that we had in milk crates and an old door on top of cement blocks. And this worked out pretty good for a while until the cement blocks gave way underneath the dirt and everything came tumbling down. So we had to rethink it, and we decided to put in-ground beds in on either side. And then in 2020, we put in the shelves. I was really happy with everything the way it was. We had 2 in-ground beds, we had the shelves, we had a nice path down the center, and then this happened. The wind took out the cover, and we had to take the cover completely off. And we decided that we wanted to have another greenhouse, so we moved this greenhouse next to the older greenhouse, and now we're here.
Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And we've been working on the new greenhouse for the past week. But it's been a little rainy this weekend, so we haven't had a chance to work on it this weekend. And today my husband is taking care of some problems at the apartment, so I've got the morning, at least, free to work on the little greenhouse. And that's what we're going to do today. Now, I've done a lot of thinking about how I want to arrange this little greenhouse. It's basically a brand new greenhouse. I mean, sure, I've had it for a long time, but we've moved it in location. We've moved the location of it, and we've cleared it out, and the shelves are no longer here because they're being incorporated into the new greenhouse. So basically I have the complete greenhouse to decide how we're going to use it. And I'm pretty sure I want to use it to start plants between the time they come out of the house until the time they go outside. And I also want to put herbs in here. This is basically being a sprout herb house. And I'm going to keep my compost in here. So I've already decided I'm going to put the fabric down. And now I was trying to decide whether I want to put sand or pavers. And originally I had pavers in here, and I enjoyed those. And I have the pavers out there. So today I think I'm going to put some pavers down. As you can see, I already have the fabric down. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. Of course, I'm not done yet. I decided to put the raised bed in here, putting pavers around it. I'm going to put a table here in this spot. I'll continue the pavers out. I ran out of pavers. The last greenhouse I had, last time I had this greenhouse organized, that's all the pavers I needed because I just did down the center. I had a raised bed on either side and the shelves on the back. So I'm going to need about 32 or 40 more pavers to finish paving out this. And I think it's going to work out well. I'm going to have the raised bed, which I can put the larger herbs in. I'm going to have the table that I can work off of. And I will probably put something across the top to hang baskets. Haven't decided what yet. I used rope last year. May use rope again. But I may have to make sure I have it centered good so that it doesn't get in the way of the compost, because I have to get up there to turn it. And that's how come I left space on that side so I can turn it. I may scoot it over more depending upon what size table I get as to how much room I have over there. But I want that to be fairly open so we can get to the compost easily and get it out easily. So this is how this little greenhouse is going to be this year. So hopefully it will work out well, and Remember to dream big, follow that dream, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.